Whether you're machining simple parts or using 5-axis milling, the CAM capabilities included in the Product Design and Manufacturing collection can help you get the most out of your equipment. HSM is fully embedded inside of the tools you use every day, including both Inventor and Fusion 360, so you can get up to speed quickly and start cutting parts the day you install your CAM software. Looking to make parts faster? All Autodesk HSM CAM solutions include adaptive clearing, the industry-leading high-speed roughing strategy. Plus, high-speed finishing strategies produce amazing surface finishes, letting you ship your parts from the shop floor. The Postprocessor system generates thousands of lines of code per second, which means CNC programmers are not waiting around to get the programs to the shop floor. Also, take advantage of our built-in collision detection and simulation tools to help you get results you need every time. And because engineers and machinists are all working on the same application data, toolpaths can be created or viewed by anyone. So more opportunities to reduce machining time and improve quality can be found. And best of all, anytime the model changes, the toolpaths automatically regenerate.